Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're not just covering a topic, we're actually going to deconstruct a really clever marketing argument. We're taking a look at the persuasive case a challenger company, HighLevel, makes against an industry giant, HubSpot. Honestly, it's a masterclass in how to position your product, and we're going to break down exactly how they do it. Okay, let's jump right in. So right out of the gate, they hit you with this, a super powerful customer quote. This immediately frames the whole story around one very relatable problem: getting punished for being successful. It's the perfect setup for a David versus Goliath story. And, who doesn't love rooting for the underdog? And see how they did that? That personal story leads you straight into this big, provocative question. This is really the core challenge that HighLevel is throwing down to the traditional way software is sold. It's designed to make you, the customer, stop and think, wait a minute, why do I pay more when my business grows? It turns a simple pricing model into a much bigger question. Now, to build their case, they first have to identify a common enemy, something they call the agency software trap. And this is a reality for so many businesses, right? You've got this chaotic mess of different apps for different things, and none of them talk to each other. In their own materials, they call it the Frankenstack, which is just a great, memorable way to paint a picture of how complex and clunky it all is.
So what's really interesting here is that the argument isn't about features, it's about philosophy. The solution they're proposing isn't about finding slightly better tools, it's about changing your entire approach. It's framed as this battle between the clean simplicity of one single platform versus the mess of juggling all the tools.
Okay, so once they've set up this trap, they really start to turn up the heat. This is where it gets personal. The claim is that some pricing models don't just cost you more as you get bigger, they actively punish you for it. They create this kind of financial barrier to your own success. Let's dig into how they make that argument. So according to HighLevel, these are the three big problems with the old way of doing things. First, you've got pricing that just shoots up as you add more contacts. Second, all the best features are locked away in these super expensive plans. And finally, you might even have to hire special certified partners just to get the thing to do what you need it to do. The whole point is to make you feel like growing your business is actually a source of financial stress. And then, bam! This is the line that sums it all up. It's simple, it's memorable, and it's super confrontational. It boils down their entire philosophy into one sentence that's just designed to stick in your head. This is the real hook of their whole argument. All right, so they've laid out the problem, they've made you feel the frustration. What's next? Well, of course, the solution. Now we're going to see exactly how HighLevel presents itself as the answer to that trap they just spent all this time describing. And this is where things get really concrete. The argument pivots from these big ideas right down to a practical side-by-side comparison. Look at this. They put their flat rate right up against a competitor's starting price, and then they just start checking off boxes for features they say are either missing or cost you a lot extra somewhere else. Okay, so they've made some pretty big claims. How do they back it up? Well, they hit you with a rapid-fire round of social proof, starting with sheer scale. 2 million plus businesses. A number like that is all about establishing instant credibility. It's meant to tell you this isn't some small niche player. And they don't stop there. The momentum keeps building. Next, they show you just how much people are actually using this thing. Over 1.3 billion messages a month. A huge number like that suggests a really active user base. It says, hey, our customers don't just own our software, they really truly rely on it every single day. And finally, they tie it all back to what really matters. Nearly 200 million leads generated every single month. This number connects everything to the one metric that every single business owner cares about: getting more customers. Putting these three stats back to back to back creates this really powerful impression of a platform that just delivers. Now, you might be thinking, okay, if it does all that stuff, it must be a total nightmare to set up, right? Well, they're ready for that question. The next part of their argument is all about tackling that potential fear of complexity by laying out a simple 3-step plan. And here is that path. The first thing you'll notice in step 1 is the focus on speed, under an hour. That's aimed directly at anyone worried about a long, painful setup. Step 2 brings it back to their core idea, consolidating all your tools. And then step 3 connects it all to the goals, keeping clients, closing deals, and growing. The message is pretty clear. It's fast, it's simple, and it works. And now we come full circle, right back to where we started, with the voices of actual users. This is the final piece of the puzzle, and it's often the most persuasive. It's all about showing what really happens when businesses adopt this new way of thinking.
But before we dive into these next testimonials, there's a really important concept you have to understand, because it is absolutely central to their pitch. It's called white labeling. This means an agency isn't just using the software, they're rebranding it with their own logo and selling it to their clients. This one feature is designed to turn a piece of software from an expense into a brand new source of revenue. And this quote from Troy Dean just connects all the dots perfectly. He specifically calls out the potential revenue model, which shows you that the white label feature we just talked about was a huge reason for his decision. He's not just saving money, he's seeing a whole new way to make money. And the proof just keeps stacking up with another really powerful story. The language here is even stronger, isn't it? Complete game changer, built our whole business around it. And that final definitive line, we'll never go back. This is all meant to show a deep, lasting commitment from the people who use it. So you've heard the individual stories, but what about the data? Well, to wrap up all that positive feeling, you get this simple chart, a 4.8 out of 5-star rating based on over 1,000 reviews. This acts as the hard evidence that supports all the personal stories. The argument is that this isn't just a few happy people, it's a trend. So this is what it all boils down to. The entire argument is summarized in this one final stark choice. You've got the old way, described with negative words like games and penalize. And then you have the new way, described with positive, empowering words like flat rate and encourages. It's a crystal clear summary of their entire case. And that leaves us with one last question to chew on. It takes the big idea from this whole argument and turns it right back to you, the viewer. It kind of forces you to reevaluate the tools you use every day, not just based on what they can do, but on their fundamental business model. Is it a partner or is it a tax? Pretty powerful way to end.